Hello everybody, Stiff Cock Lover 69 here. Sorry, Cramped George here. You didn't hear that. Today we're back with another tutorial video of how to make a cup of coffee. The long-awaited sequel to how to make a cup of tea. Now I don't actually remember if I've made this video before, so I mean, you know, you can never make too much coffee. So if we look over here, here is my dishwasher. This is where we're going to get a cup out of. You also may notice that earlier I had shit and cum on toast, and it was really nice. Anyways, into our dishwasher, which is clean. Oh, look at the Sainsbury's mugs. We find, is our mug in here? Oh, exciting. Yes, it is. Now, Nintendo, we're going to copyright strike me for this. Here is my Ace Attorney mug. And we're going to use it to make some coffee. Because you know what I need? Coffee. Because I have a caffeine addiction. So we're just going to... This kettle already has enough water in it. So we're going to press boil. Now, that will boil the kettle and also blow your ears off. So whilst that happens, what we can do is we can use this spoon and take this coffee. I know I'm using a Nestle product. I'm very sorry. I don't like Nestle, but their coffee's brilliant. Well, I say brilliant, it's the cheapest. Right, we're going to go into here. We'll take a spoonful of our lovely brown powder. Put that into our mug, as you do when you're making a cup of coffee. You use coffee and a mug. And we're going to take this, put that back in there because we're neat and tidy in this household. Make as much noise as we can doing it all. I could probably break something doing that, so I'm not going to do that. We're going to take a nice couple spoonfuls of our white powder. Bear with me a second. There we go. We're going to actually have to use a few spoonfuls because I can't seem to get a full spoonful of this white powder out. Right, so now we have a nice mixture of coffee and suspicious white powder. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our newly boiled kettle. Our coffee will be here soon. And we're going to take this and we're going to pour it into our mug. Now, what you may see is that coffee is being made. Although technically the coffee was already made. We're just putting it into water. Anyways, we're going to stir this so it can really, mix around the coffee and the suspicious white powder and get it really into solution. You may call back to Cramped George chemistry. We are making a solution. It may not be the solution, but it is a solution. And I've spilt some, so I'm going to have to mop that up. Good thing I have this kitchen roll. And I've got this. So actually, you're getting two videos in one. How to clean a kitchen and how to make a cup of coffee. So we're also going to put this on top of there so we can avoid more spillage. Right. Now we come over here. We enter the fridge, which is surprisingly empty, and we see that we have out-of-date beef. It's not cooked, it's out of date. That's what happens when meat goes out of date. I'm sorry, this is turning into an Adam Ragusa video. I'm going to try and avoid that. So we're going to take our milk. This is Sainsbury's fresh British whole milk. None of that European bollocks. We're outside the EU now, so we have to use British milk. Because that's what we voted for. And it's not British milk unless it has pints on it. Which it does. That's how British it is. But unfortunately, it's also litres on there, which I'm pretty pissed off about because I didn't vote for that. Right, anyways. I don't support Brexit. Just putting that out there. But if I did support Brexit, I'd be very angry about the fact that there's litres on my cartons of milk. That is a piss take. Right. Anyways, we're done with our milk. We're just going to stir this around. And sorry, I'm just getting a bit teary-eyed from my very, very brilliant speech. Anyways, I'm going to stir this around. We are finished. Put that over there on top of the pile of failed how to make a cup of tea videos, and we're going to drink this. Right. Get this, we're going to drink it. But you're not going to see me drink it, because I don't know how to turn the camera around. Well, I do, but I don't know how to turn it around so I can see myself. Anyways, here it goes. That is some good coffee. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this coffee making tutorial. I don't think I'm going to upload a video again. But if I do, well, I mean, even if I don't, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't do any disliking, please. That would make me feel very sad. Oh, but no, that's just going to encourage you now. And please leave a comment saying whether or not you support Brexit, and also whether or not I'm a twat. Thank you all for watching.